Welcome to the Digital System Design lecture series. Today we will discuss the first binary signal. As we discussed in last lecture about the different binary logics are there. So remember that thing, any voltage level, it is maybe current or voltage exists throughout the digital system is either one of the two recognized values, because the binary signal have two different values are possible. One is 0, logic 0 and logic 1. So that means there is a two different values are possible. So where there is a two voltage level is that logic voltage level for logic 0 or voltage level for logic 1. And this voltage operated circuit, for like as we take the example, respond that the two separate voltage level for represent the binary variable logic 0 and logic 1 for a particular logic, like is here the one example how it is look like is, suppose I have one binary one digital circuit which is working like is in this voltage level. If my logic nominal value is 0 volt for logic 0 and for logic 1 volt level is 5 volt. Okay. So not every times the same voltage is available at input or output terminal of the both the circuit. It might be possible that there is something variation due to the noise signal. So there is some allowable voltage. Normally the transistor is allowed up to the 0.7 volt. So 0.5 or something volt, there is some values are allowed and it sends the logic 0. So between any value occurs minus 0.5 volt to the 0.5 volt, it says it is logic 0. So this is called as a tolerance allowed for logic 0. So if any circuit, the input is between minus 0.5 to 0.5 volt to minus 0.5 volt, it sends logic 0 and the tolerance is 1 volt. Similarly, suppose the 5 volt is logic 1. This is for logic 1. So at that time, the circuit, suppose here there is a 6 volt to 3 volt. This tolerance is allowed for logic 1. Normally noise can reduce the voltage level. A spark is that. So between these two voltage 3 volt to 6 volt, suppose here the signal voltage is 3.5, so it is sends as a logic 1. Suppose it is 0.3 volt, so it sends as a logic 0. So whatever the transition is occur between these two limit, here we cannot be predict. This is called as a transition level. So between 0.5 volt to 3 volt, the circuit cannot be detect the logic. It might be logic 0 or 1. We cannot be sure that what are the logic level. So as shown in this figure, each voltage level has a acceptance deviation from the nominal. The intermediate region between this allowed region is crossed during this state transition, and the input terminal of digital circuit accept binary signal within this allowable tolerance and respond at the output terminal with the binary signal which follow within this specific tolerance. 3 volt to 6 volt, if it is sensed as a logic 1. This green signal shows that if the input voltage is between 0.5 to minus 0.5 to plus 0.5, it is sensed as a logic 0. Again, remember that thing. There is two different type of the logic in digital circuit according to the voltage level. Positive logic volt. So positive logic volt, in this here, the 0 volt level logic, 0 volt is always less than logic 1 volt. Like in this way. Always the logic 0 have a voltage. Suppose here it is logic 0 volt is 0 volt and logic 1 is 5 volt. Or logic 0 is minus 0.3 volt and logic 1 is 3 volt. So both here the value of logic 0 is down and comparatively this one. This type of the logical voltage level is known as a positive logic voltage. Okay, this is applicable for here. Some circuits have a negative logic voltage level. So where the voltage value is different. For 0 it might be plus 5 volt and for logic 1 it is below than 5 volt. So suppose here it is 0 volt. So this called as a negative logic. Where negative logic, the logic 0 voltage level is higher than logic 0, logic 1 volt. If my logic 1 voltage, second possibility is that look like is this way. Suppose the logic 0, it is 0 volt and logic 1 it is minus 5 volt. So which one is greater? Logic 0 level. So logic 1 is minus 5. So it is below 0 voltage, negative logic. It is called as a negative logic. Positive logic, the voltage of logic 0 is less than the voltage of logic 1. In negative logic, the voltage of logic 0 is higher than the voltage of logic 1 volt. Okay, remember that thing. Sometime in GATE exam also they ask that which logic is applied here, negative logic or positive logic. So positive logic, the voltage of logic 0 is always less than the voltage of logic 1. Which one is greater? Suppose there is a minus 5 and 0. So minus 5 volt and 0 volt. So greater voltage is logic 0 volt. So if it is positive logic, then this is for logic 1 and this is for logic 0. So it is called as a negative logic. Okay, remember that thing. So always remember that thing. How we can identify the positive logic level or negative logic applied for logic 0 and logic 1 voltage level.